This conference will now be recorded.
Any doubts? No doubts till last class? Or any doubts are there? Today's last class, if you have any doubts, please clear it out.
Sir, I've messaged on the group.
Message on the group. One second, I'll check it. Sorry, same here. Instead of source data, I'm getting criteria based data. Hmm. No issues, no issues. If you go to that sheet main, look
But
up
we're not
value,
getting the answer,
department.
sir.
Okay, I'll show you that. So, any others? Any others? No? Okay. So I think you are facing problem here, right? See, equals, we look up value, comma, table array is in this date sheet. Here in source data sheet, select the range. After selecting range, don't go back to that sheet. Give comma here itself. Why I'm telling don't go back means once you go back to that sheet again two reference will take. So this will effective. If it is a Mac system, automatically once you select the table range, it will take you to that place. But in Windows, it will not happen like that. So don't do like that. So what you have to do is just select the range, give comma, column index number is what? 2 comma exact match. Because get there. We know that again column index number to count, we cannot go the right. So look up value. That's it. Your work is over. Go here, select the range. Select the range, comma. We want employee name, that is the second column of the data, column index number 2, comma. Approximate match or exact match you want means we want exact match. So tab, close bracket, enter. Again equals, we look up value employee ID, comma, source data, table array you select, comma, column index number 3, comma, exact match. Then equals lookup value, comma, go to the source data, select the source, okay, comma, column index number 4, comma, exact match. That's it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any others?
Sir, can you
Any others
explain
have
the
any problem?
bonus?
Bonus. Okay. UK market, USA market bonus, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, here we need to find the bonus, right? So based on each market, these are the sale. If the sales is done in UK market, this is the sales in UK market, then you will get this as a bonus. And if this is the sales in USA market, then this you will be getting as a bonus. So in this bonus column equals we lookup value is sales. Based on sales only, we are finding the bonus. So lookup value is sales, comma, table array. We have two table arrays. So one is what? What is one? One is UK market and one more is USA market, right? So what you have to do is first I will go take if. So two, if this is UK, then this. If not, this. So if this is equals to UK, then table array this one. F4 function log that. If value false, if not, if this is not UK other than anything, then automatically take this one because only option that is USA. F4 close bracket, value false is override, so close bracket, comma, table array is over. Column index number in both table arrays, bonus is the second column. Here also bonus is second column. Here also bonus is second column. Correct? So column index number 2, comma, approximate match or exact match PC means the values are not matching, so approximate match. This is the formula. Check it out. Okay, and I press enter and I drag and drop, you'll be getting the value. Then anyone, any problem?
Sir, at the end of the class, can you just help me with that if function in the
If
assignment? I
function.
couldn't attend yesterday.
Again, entirely is if function should be a possible.
Not
Any
the
doubts
whole.
in the if function? Ah,
Yeah, I'm not able to get the assignment answer. Everything shows
which one?
rejected.
Which assignment you tell me?
The one with the qualification, candidate name, age.
Qualification. Ah,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Anyone have solved that one? Because last class also forgot to ask you. Anyone have solved that? The qualification?
Yes, sir.
Have you solved? Okay, send me that. Let me check it out. Okay, now see here equals if age means two conditions. I told in the last, I think on that class when I taking if function, two conditions are there: lesser than, greater than 21, lesser than 45. So when two logical tests are there, then I need to use what? And function. If and if age is greater than 25, comma, again age should be lesser than 45, close bracket, comma. Okay, again one more if function, right? Value of true, again value false we cannot give because still we have two conditions. So again if function, now degree either BCom or BBA or BCA, any one, if they are done, that qualified. So and means everything it should be pass. So and means all they should have done, but or means any one, if it is true then the result is true. So or this should be BCom or this should be BBA or this should be BCA, right? Anyone it is fine. Comma value of true, again if function and function, logical test, age should be greater than 1 and comma age should be lesser than 5, close bracket, comma value of true means accepted, comma value false, double quotes, rejected, close bracket. comma, value false, it is ASCII, that is rejected. Again last close bracket,
Can you
again value false.
copy paste in the chat box?
Yeah, okay. So again rejected. So when I say rejected and all will come in this condition.
So
So
this
this is
should
the
be
formula.
accepted, right? I
Uh,
was doing the same thing, but it keeps showing rejected for the first one.
first one saying rejected.
Yeah.
For me also first one is rejected only. For you everything is saying rejected.
But all of it is saying rejected.
Somewhere it was mistaken with greater than lesser than. That's it. Not
But
more. They have mistake something.
the first one in the Excel sheet, sorry.
I'm saying. If I'm
Yeah,
greater than 21, C5 lesser than 45. Or if before or again you missed with if. If or see my function you see. If or D5 is equal to BCom, D5 equal to BBA, D5 is equal to BCA. If you have missed, that's it. Each and every time we need to if. Why? Because we want accepted and rejected, right? For each condition,
so
accepted rejected is required, right? Tell me, ma.
I was getting that in the first one, it says the candidate is 25 and her degree is BBA and experience too. So that should be accepted, right? Why is it showing rejected?
Age should be greater than 21, lesser than 45. Correct. BBA is correct. And yeah, correct. Age should be greater than 1 and lesser than 5. First one, it's saying rejected is age greater than 25. Yeah, age should be greater than 25. But age is what? 25. It's not greater than 25, right? Greater than 25 means what? 26 it should be that.
So you said age should be greater than 21 in
If
the
then what
required.
is greater?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
I have given 25. That is a mistake. I will change here 21. Here C5 is greater than 25 given. So I'll give 21. Now it's okay.
Got it. Yeah, thank you.
Is any others any mistake? Miss any doubts?
Excuse me, sir.
Just tell me ma.
Sir, the formula which I had sent in the chat box, no, sir, it's showing the same results.
Ah, same result means
Like,
not getting you.
yeah, the results which you have got, even I got the same, sir. But the
Hmm.
formula is
Formula is different. You're saying right?
yes, sir.
Uh, or why that is because in the value of true you are taken just plainly or function. Again in the value false you are taken again what e is greater than. So the output column you send a photo of that if I
Yes,
is
sir.
greater than one comma I send a you send a photo of that.
Yes, sir, sent.
Yeah. check with my data. This is correct. Yes, correct, correct. It's correct.
Thank you, sir.
It's what? So when you're understanding the formula, so you're writing better. Okay, so you're not making this much length. So what you avoided? You avoided this if function. Again, you avoided the if and functions. So plainly, you written in the easiest way. Okay, each and everything. So you're not taking anything because one more thing what it is, I have taken in each and every agree functions is true functions. If function I build it again. Okay, but here you are not taken any function except one if directly for value true you have taken or function, so that what you are avoiding here means multiple times you no need to give what accepted rejected and all. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So you, yeah. So here you avoided this one and you avoided
So,
this one. Yeah, tell me ma.
so shouldn't the third candidate be accepted as well?
Once again, I just one third candidate. Third
Yes.
candidate, that's what. Age should be greater than lesser than 5. There is difference between lesser than or equals to 5 and lesser than 5, right? I'm saying lesser than 5. Lesser than 5 means should be less than 5, should not be 5.
Yes.
Correct? Yeah. So 5 is not less than 5. 5 is equals to 5. So there you need to give less than or equals to 5. Then it will be accepted. Hello? Yes. Ah, okay. Also check ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಂ ಏನಂತ? ಹಲೋ? ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಸೊ ಅದು ನಂದು ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ನಂದು ಒಂದು ಮೇಲ್ ಅದು ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ? Just a minute, I will be back in 1 second, okay? 2 minutes. Hello. Yeah. Any others have anybody any doubts? No doubts, huh?
Sir, can I just send you the formula I made, which was coming wrong?
Yeah, sure, me, sir.
என்ன பண்ணுங்க மாறுதானாங்க
Open.
நோடோ
Sent now.
Sir, I've sent it on the chat box.
Chat box. Huh? Yeah. Count if can you explain? Sir? Okay. Count if you will explain. If and the particular reference by if and the 6 will be greater than 1, the 6 will be less than 5. The 6 will be less than 5. If or d is equal to d6 is equals to b or this bba this is equal to bca. If or okay. Subtract, rejected, rejected, rejected. Yeah, I'll explain. Count if I'll explain. One second, I'm just checking that formula. D6. So what is this D6 here in your data? D6 is D column is having DVA. So send the formula as this one. So you're getting everything rejected and accepted, few are rejected. So age is greater than 21, okay, less than 45, okay. Again, if that should be age E6 should be greater than 1 and lesser than 5, okay. If R D6 is equals to BCom, or it should be BBA, D6 it should be BC. Accepted, rejected, accepted. I'm not sure whether it's correct. For this, we are getting accepted. C6. So, you are settled one step down. C5 again. 5, E5, 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 right? See what you did, you have written the formula. Here you written the formula and you selected this values. Understanding? See, I'll show you
Yes.
again. This is the formula what you written, right? So when I select here, you see, you written formula here, but you selected the bottom values here. That's why that interchanges. So
Okay, sir. Got it.
equally, if I take on the right side, see, actually I'm getting the same thing what you're getting. So here, if I select this range and I go for conditional formatting and highlight subgroups, text that contains accepted or in green, okay, and again text that contains rejected or in gray. That's it over. Okay. So count if someone was asking what count if. See here equals count if counts the number of cells within a range that makes given condition. Counts the number of cells in a range that meets what given condition. Right? So then what you have to take first you have to take a range. Okay, range has been selected, comma. Criteria means what? Condition. What is the condition? You have to give the conditions. Clear? So what is the condition? Any one condition you can give. I'll give for example USA. Either I can select or I can type in double quotes. Press enter now. How many USAs are there in that? Is it clear count if?
Sum and average if also is the same thing, sir.
Yes.
Just the criteria we have to mention and the
Yes,
range.
some if slightly will change. That means some range you will select in the last. Some if first range for this one, comma criteria is USA. If in that range for only USA, where you want to do the sum on the sale price, I want to do the sum. Getting? See,
Yeah, sir.
any others, any doubts, clear it off. Again, I'm telling this is the last class. Don't keep anything which is in doubt. Whatever you learned, clearly you learn. So you should be not having any doubts at the end of the class. No doubts? Shall we move to the next concept? Okay. Once again, I'll check the chat box. So, okay, no doubts. Okay. Okay, I'll just open Excel. Uh, so what should we select formulas? So what should we review first view tab? It's not view tab. So the view tab you come. First, let me take some data here. We'll take that pivot table data, is that right? We'll take that data. MCC. Yeah. I'll come to here. So first I'll highlight this top row. Take this data and highlight the first row. Then done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now go to view tab. See if I now scroll down slightly like this. What is happening when you scroll down? Automatically the header row is going down, right? So now whenever I go down, if it goes up that heading, I'll be having a problem, right? So can you see here there is an option called as freeze span? You're seeing that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So on that option, what you do, just click on that. Actually, freeze top row is having my headings. Top row is in the top row only. I'm having all my headers, right? So click on freeze top row. Then what is showing here? Now whenever scroll down, the top headings you can see that only.
So how do you undo it?
Control Z you give.
So
Control Z or else click on freeze pans, again unfreeze pans you do.
yes.
Then okay, now if this is the first column is my headings, assume that the first column is my heading. Okay, if I go towards right side, but first column should be there because that's what my heading. So first column should be same like that. So when I go right side, it should be fixed. So that time go here, view tab, freeze pans, freeze first column you give. Then you move towards right side. The first column is heading. The first column will be freezed.
So we can't freeze a column and row together.
Yes, yes, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. You can freeze it. That's how means. For example, again I'll unfreeze the pan. If I click here, so this and all will be moving. These two columns, these three rows will be freezed. I'm clicking here, just clicking on what? Freeze pans. Just clicking on freeze pans. Not top row, not first column. So now, like this. You see? Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So now, suppose again I'll give freeze pans, which is unfreeze pans. Up to here, for example, up to here there are some logo or something here. Up to here there is a logo you think. Okay, so go merchant center. So here they have put some logo or something we think. And shape I'll take simply I'll take one shape. Okay, and after that the heading is here. So now up to here it has to be get freezed. Only this much has to change. So in that scenario, select the seventh row. Right? So then click on view. Go for freeze pan. Just freeze pan. Then so now you see we scroll down, that much will be freeze, only remaining will be moving. Is that clear? The freeze pan, it's important. That's why I'm specially taking this one. It's important one, freeze pans. If it is clear, the next one I'll tell you. See in the show place only, if you want you can hide formula bar, and if you want hide you can hide your headings, the row headings and column headings 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D like that. And grid lines if you don't want to show, you can hide the grid lines also. Okay, so now we know what is normal view. Already we have seen page break preview means previews only the area used. Page layout means what? Previews entire thing page wise. Clear? Page wise, how much and all records will come in one page. So page wise, it will show you the record. And then custom view. Custom view means, for example, this range I'll add as a custom view. This much, little bit. Custom view, add. I'll give a name for that. Wherever I go, if I say custom view, show the view, automatically it will show the place. Done? Okay, now any chat messages if you drop, tell me because application, go to application is not working. I've connected in the web, so it will be difficult for me to see. So one about how to insert math formula, maths formula, mathematical formulas. Many are there. Which one you're telling? Which formula you want? Any formula you mention, ma, so that I'll tell you. No, no replies. Okay. So now these are the views which are important. And then there is a concept called as what spell check. F7 is the shortcut key. When you click on the spelling check, it will check all the spelling mistake on your workbook. F7 shortcut key. Word or Excel or PowerPoint, whatever software. When you press F7, automatically spelling check will be happened. Anyone? No. Next, I'll go for data. Here, few important things I'll tell you. First thing, how will you import any data from the internet online? How will you import any data from the online internet? Clear? So now first what I'll do, I'll go to internet. I'll take one website. In this website, what I will do, I'll go for example, I want last 5 years statement of any one bank, profit and loss account of any one bank. Okay. So what I'll give, I'll type HDFC Bank profit and loss account. HDFC Bank profit and loss account of last 5 years. I'm giving last 5 years. Just I'm giving the things because money control website will give by default last 5 years things only. Clear? On HDFC Bank and profit loss account, the first link you taken up. Okay, when I scroll down, you can see March 2023, March 2020, 2021, 2020, 2019. These are the last 5 years profit and loss statement of HDFC Bank, which is that year. Then you copy the URL, the top here, copy the URL, come down to the Excel. Okay, select A1 cell, select as A1. Can you see from web option here? The data tab. Can you see from web? Can you see? Click on the from web option. So it's taking slightly time. Okay, so the URL has opened. Here you paste the copied URL in this place. Control C there and Control V here and click on OK. Done. So here you select in the left side. Two options are there: document and table zero. In document, I don't have any records. The below table zero, I'm selecting. There I have many records here. I'm having right. Okay, now what I'll do here, I click on load. So the entire data from the internet, it will be loaded to your Excel. Whenever the data is updated in the internet, okay, if you click in this place refresh, so here also it will be get updated. Done. Do you have any doubt? So it may be important for your further project things or anything, because many of my students, they have asked how to take some uh, reports from the internet and import into Excel, and how to work. Many other college students or offline students and all they asked. So it may be helpful for you. Okay, how to import data from web to your Excel. Is everyone are getting here how to import?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, once if you link, you can see an option called as unlink. So once you do unlink means that website on this record will be unlinked. So whatever updates, whatever changes if it is happen on the site, the particular website, that will not be synced in this place. So once you unlink that, clear? Okay. Now next, the same data tab. I'm going to send you one. First two small things I'll tell you. Very, very important one tool. The tool name is called as Flash Fill. It will also will be helpful for you. Shortcut key for that tool is Control plus P. Flash Fill shortcut key. Then take one data. I'll just tell you how to do the Flash Fill. Hello. One second. ಇದು Okay. Now see here, any changes. For example, here country column is there. Here on the right side, from the country column, I want first only four characters. I want first only four characters. Basically, what we'll use, you'll use formulas, right? Anything for any changes you want. For example, what can I say? See, I will show you one. Based on that, remaining everything you do. I'm saying to Excel, I will show you one. This data should come like this. One example I will show you. So please, based on that, you do remaining everything same like that. That's what flash fill. So few examples I'll show you. So United States, the first four characters of every text I want separately. So first one example I'll tell you how I want that. Okay now. Then one you show, press enter, then press Control E. That's it. Automatically everything will happen like that. Okay. So one more, for example, for all these products I want to create a mail ID. For all these products I want to create a mail ID. So the left side product is there, right? So here in the right side, what I'll do, uh, that product I'll take carrot at gmail.com. Like that for all the products, right side, I have to create a mail ID like this, carrots at gmail.com. Like that, I want a mail ID. Press enter. One has come, right? Press Control E for everyone. Automatic has happened. So wherever there are mistakes, similar mistakes, wherever there are similar mistakes, one you correct it. Here, once you correct it, what will happen? Everything will be automatically corrected. Understanding? Please tell me, it's
Yes,
very
sir.
important option. It will be useful because many errors may be there. Each and every time you cannot correct that. So one you do, everything will automatically happen. And you'll be happy, right? You'll be happy. Then, okay, I'll send you a file now in the WhatsApp. You take that. That is one more advanced filter file. Okay, so just we will work on that also. Okay, so let's take here.
So,
Yes, tell me now.
for the control E function, I'm not getting my email IDs. Like it's not showing up. It's saying we lifted all the data and couldn't see a pattern for filling in values.
Okay, which data you taken?
So for the email you did next to the data earlier, control
Ah,
E.
yeah, yeah. Any one data, so MCC pivot data, where is that? Okay, this one will take this one only. Control A, Control C, Control N. Okay, perfect. So after the product, I inserted a column. Okay, I expanded the column. Here you click, type carrot, it's carrot at gmail.com. Press enter, then control E. Again, you try. If not coming, send the pick or error. Error, pick up error of the pick.
Uh, so where did you insert the column?
After that, how to insert or where we have to insert error scheme. Right click on the
Where?
C
Like,
column, click on insert.
yes.
Okay, or else you can use control plus also.
Got it, sir.
Then any others, any doubts?
Yes.
It's very important because I use many times this tool. If any error problems, any problems are there, because manually I cannot sit and change. And suddenly I may not any formula. So to solve that, some formula may not flash for me. How to that? It may take some time. So what I'll do it, I'll make one correct, then I'll use this tool. Everything will happen automatically. Others have any doubts? Okay, I'll send you one more file now. Keep ready. WhatsApp. I'm sending the WhatsApp. Okay, so it's like pivot table, creating the reports like filter only, basic filter only. Slot looks like basic filter, slightly advanced filter. Taken up. Open the file. Password 13 Opened up. Please let me know once you opened. Students are with sincere students. Let's see, I'm not getting reply. Hello, all are there here? Please let me know whether you downloaded or not.
Download.
Done, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So we are going to do data tab filter. Basically filter. What is the shortcut key for filter? Basic filter first we'll see. Control Shift L. Yes. I will need to send you some data for you. Basic shortcut keys I'll send you. Okay, a few minutes time with you. I'll send that PDF list in the WhatsApp. So it will be helpful for Mac and as well as for Windows also. Okay. So Control Shift L, it means filter. Okay, I'll select the data. Control Shift L. Send now only. And create. Sorry, got an important call. Okay, and everyone are there listening me. I hope you'll be receiving some messages in the WhatsApp. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please kindly give your feedbacks there. Okay. So now, so there are unique records, criteria, and wild card. Okay. So now unique records are the right. So here there are some filter I applied. So in this, if I want only unique records, there is a tool here. Can you see here? In this data tools, there is something called as what? Remove duplicates. When I click on remove duplicates, whatever duplicate values are there, everything will be deleted. And what is mainly my problem is my main data itself getting changed. When I remove the duplicates, my and if I want to take unique records, my main data itself it is getting what? Affected. So actually I don't want that to be happened. Clear? So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the entire data instead of removing the duplicates here. I'll go for advanced filter. In the sort and filter, I'll go for the advanced filter. Okay, so I click on the advanced filter, filter the list in this place. Okay, actually, I don't want to filter here itself. This is my main data. This is my main data. Let it be here like this. I want the report to be separately this side. So copy to another location. Okay, I'll choose this copy to another location. List of the range is nothing but this range. I'll select this range. This is what list of my range. List of the range is what? This is what my range. And then criteria range. Criteria range means what? Condition. As of now, I don't have condition in this because I'm just want what only unique records, no conditions, no criteria. Okay, copy to where. So the filtered record will be coming right. The unique records where you want that records. I'll just choose here. I want the records. And then what you want? You want unique records only? Just click on unique records. Then if you give on OK, see what you're getting. There are three duplicate records repeated. So that has been removed and you're getting the output.
So can you repeat what the difference is between this and removing duplicates?
See, here can you see two duplicate records are there? Harish
Yes, sir.
having, I am having two Harish, two having entire duplicate data and two Guna. So three records are duplicated. If I keep one, three. So that's what three has been removed in this place.
Yes, sir, but what is the difference between this and removing duplicates normally?
No, that's what. There is a data. There are repeated data, duplicate data. I don't want duplicate data. I want only unique records. That means duplicates will be removed. Only one time it has to come. So three times one value is coming means only one time it has to take. Remaining times and all it should remove it off. And it has to give only one time duplicate data.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now here you see two times whatever data are coming. I don't want two times. It has to take only one time. And the right side is coming separately. And
So
moreover that
one,
remote. Ah,
so one small doubt when I'm trying to select the table by using Control All, it's
ah.
selecting all the whole workbook.
So in which one? For list or range or for criteria range?
So for any range.
Any range. First, you need to select inside one cell. Then, if you do Control A, first range will get selected.
Sir, if I'm pressing Control A, it's selecting the whole workbook.
You are clicking outside empty cell and you are selecting.
No, sir, inside the table only.
Okay, for in the advanced tool, or any normally only if you do.
Even for normal tool, even when I was doing the pivot table, it was selecting the whole workbook.
It will not select. See, whenever I see when I'm doing one cell, I'm selecting Control A only data. One more time Control A if you do, two times if you do, the entire data will get selected.
No, sir, I pressed it only once.
Request it will not come. Show me where you are clicking and selecting Control A. Send the screen. You select one cell, press Control A. Inside the data, you have to click one cell, Control A you do, send the screen. If you're selecting entire like this, then two times you are pressing. One time it will not happen like that.
Yes, sir, I'll send you a video.
Yes, send me the video. Mhm. ಇದೇ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ Sent oh, 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 oh. Receiving. First question for 23 people, second 12, 8, 10, 9, 6. One by one it has been sent. So see to that all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions. 6 polls are created. I want everyone to answer. 38 people are there. Regularly who will be present around 36. 36 answers I need. Anything it's fine.
Uh, Sir, it's working now. Sorry, sir.
It's working, yeah? It's working fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this duplicate records you understood. So there are duplicate records here. I don't want the duplicate, only unique records, whatever duplicates are there. If a value is repeating more than one time, if two, three times are coming from there, I want only one time the value has to be picked. Okay, which is repeating more than one time, I don't want. Okay, so that unique records separately I wanted to be placed here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll go for criteria. So criteria are condition based. Okay, so here I have date, sale representatives, and region and sales. So now here region I given as what? US, and sales that should be greater than 5,000. So we have a formula. We can do a formula based also this. But formula will give only the total value. But I want report. Like pivot table, I want report that region should be only US, and sales that has to be done more than how much? 5,000. Clear? Now I just click on advanced filter, list or range. I'll select this entire range, and then criteria range. I select region US and sales greater than 5,000. Copy to other location. I'll choose where you want the report. I want here. I don't want any unique records and all, just I'll give as okay. Now you see here region exactly US, the sales which are greater than 5,000. Is that clear for everyone?
Sir,
They're getting,
advanced filter location can be given in another sheet, sir.
yeah, you can choose. You can choose.
Okay, sir.
You can just close this. You can go for a new sheet. Whatever sheets you selected, and that sheet you can choose the location and you can click on OK. So there you will get a report.
So do we need to
Okay,
choose
sir.
currency also for sales?
Huh?
Like
What ma?
the currency for sales?
No. One more time repeat. I'm not clear.
So do we need to choose the currency for sales? Like it's in it should be rupees or something like dollar.
No, I have not formatted anything.
Okay, okay.
No, not if you formatted, okay. I'm not any currencies. No, no. I think you're mistaking that currency means this dollar symbol you're thinking, huh? This dollar.
Yes, sir.
No, ma, that's references. Fixed
Okay, okay.
reference. A1 to
Okay,
D20, only that much, not any other range.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, for
Okay, next.
selecting the criteria range, we have to do the same thing as the heading, like region and region, sales and sales.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So database functions or any other things, or else it will not understand, right? If any spelling mistakes is there, okay, he has to match the heading, right? He has to match the heading with this one. If any heading mistake is there, it will not get matched. Okay, so whenever you're doing that, I think always should be same. Not only useful for everywhere in database functions also, you keep the same.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you just show it one more time?
Which one?
The sales that were over 5,000 in US.
Yeah, okay, see here. Here, advanced filter, copy to another location. First one I'll take, list or range. I just select this one, criteria, region US and sales greater than 5,000. Okay, criteria is this much, and then copy to here. Just click on OK, copy to location.
So the criteria should be in column wise.
Criteria condition, yeah, it can be like this here, column and row wise like this records. Whatever you take, it will get matched with that. The name, header names will be get matched. Then, so
Yes,
then
sir.
you know what is wildcard? There are two wildcards, actually three, but basically in DAS we'll say two wildcards. But here wildcards means there are basically these two. Okay, but in Excel only one wildcard will be supported. That is star. So that is example like if I say star.txt, I explained in the beginning itself. Star.txt means star represents the file name can be anything. Star represents file name can be anything. How many characters or anything it can be there. Dot extension means extension should be only this much. Same extension. Same like that when I say A dot means A star, starting letter should be A. Then remaining characters can be anything. A star means what? Starting letter should be A, and remaining characters should be, see, remaining characters can be anything.
So the name should start with A, or like A is mandatory.
A first character should be A. After that, it can be anything.
Okay,
A is
sir.
mandatory. It should be A first character. After that, it can be anything. So that it will take all the reports starts with A. After that, you will not see whatever reports it is.
And what about the dot text? Like when we have to put that?
No, no, that text means you should not put anywhere in Excel and all. See what I told. You know Notepad, right? Whenever you're saving Notepad, you see I'm saving this Notepad file. I open Notepad file, right? I'm saving this Notepad. When I'm saying, it is saying what? Star.txt. Star represents, you can give any file name for this Notepad. But any Notepad you save, it will be saved with .txt. Because .txt is the extension of a Notepad file. Name you give whatever you want. But extension is what? .txt. That is Notepad identity. Okay, so it is saying you give star represents, you give any name, but next to the name, I will add what? .txt. That's my initial. So then only we will come to know that is a text file. Clear? So that's the reason any Excel file also, how it is saving file name dot xlsx. Excel files are getting saved as what? Any name what you give. For example, MCC dot xlsx. So file name is MCC. Dot xlsx is what? Extension of this Excel file. Clear?
Answer that A. Where will we put that?
A, here in advanced Excel, we are going to show you that. What is that A and R? Okay. So here A starts with, here this is the data. I have given a question. The region that starts with A. I want the report here separately of the report of the region that starts with A. Done. So now what you do, select one cell, go to advanced, copy to another location. List range is automatically selected. Okay. And criteria range, I'm choosing region that starts with A. That's my condition. Copy to another location. Choose the location where you want to copy the report. So if you see the region that starts with A, you may have a doubt. Only Asia is there. So if you want, you can rename. Australia. Okay. Now again, advance. Copy to another location. Criteria range. Copy location. See, all are starts with A.
Sir, if you want a different character like an E or
Same,
F,
same. First
Yes,
three
sir.
characters. Yeah, first three characters you want, you like this. Okay. How many characters you want to give constant, you give. For example, Europe, EUR. First three characters, it should be same. After that, it can have any characters, any character. Any number of characters, it can be any characters like that. Not only one letter. Is that what you asked or any other thing?
yes, sir. Like instead of A, can we add any other? Like as of now,
Anything,
E,
anything.
F, and
Yes, anything. Starting letter. So I say who stand up, who name starts with B. That's again one more whose name starts with yes. It's like that. Or whose first three characters same as AN starts with AN like that. Then, so,
Yes, sir.
okay. So this is what advanced filter. So next, can you see here text to columns? So what is a text to columns means? In one cell, I return I length text. In one cell, I return this. And so I'll select the cell, go to text to columns. Okay, I'll say as what? Next. When I click on next, can you see here? Microsoft. Wherever I'm having space, there are all automatically the column is getting separated. Next, finish. So text to columns. Each and every text will be separated into one column. In one cell only you can type all and you can just separate it. Clear? Okay, last 10 minutes is there. Is there any doubts? Again, I'm asking anything you are not understood. Sorry, any concept or any doubt you have, you can ask me. I just reply you. So I want any doubts related to Excel.
So the mathematical formula.
Mathematical formula. You have not attended the class, huh?
No, sir, that part the network got disconnected, so I couldn't hear the text.
So please, everyone vote it.
No, sir, not this one. Like just the for
No, no.
bracket
Again,
and
no. Again, your voice is breaking. Tell me again. No, come again. Your voice again got break.
yeah, so the text one, like the bracket and XF, like the full formula, not this one.
This one, huh?
No, sir, the
This one.
symbol of was there. The symbol of
Symbol. This is what symbols, basic operators I thought. Which one you're telling I'm not getting it. Send me any pick of that or if you have any idea, just
yeah,
type
sir,
and send.
symbol next text in the right side.
This one, right?
No, no, this one, sir, on the tab ribbon,
Okay.
right side. No, no, insert only.
Insert.
Last one,
E-questions you're
sir.
telling, yeah.
Yeah,
This
yeah, sir,
one.
equation here.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
sir.
equations you can just create equations, you cannot solve that and all. Okay, so most of the people thinks that Excel only, right? When you put equations, values and all, we'll get, they'll think like that. It is there in PowerPoint, Word, Excel. But the thing is, you cannot solve the equations. You can just insert the equations, whichever you want, like this. They create question papers like that, you can insert. Okay, and inside
Okay.
that anything if you want to change the logo, for example, x plus a I don't want, instead of this I want a different formula, go to equation tab, you can integrate a different formula here. But don't think that you'll get output for this, you can just insert formula, you cannot replace values and all, and you cannot get output and all for that. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Understood. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah, that's any doubts?